Do you say this is Chris's car or Chris' car? Do you say this is Charles' car or Chelsea's car? Now let's answer this question from JAMB past questions. Okay, JAMB 2020 past questions. This is JAMB past questions booklet. Okay, let's answer a question from it. The pen which you have just picked up is dash. Option A, Charles with an apostrophe S, B, Charles with an apostrophe after the S, C, Charles with a double S, and D, Charles without an apostrophe. Now, which of these is the correct answer? Do you say Charles's pen or do you say Charles' pen? Which of these is the correct answer? Now, this question is on possessive apostrophe. Possessive apostrophe, okay? Now, what's a possessive apostrophe? You know what an apostrophe is. Now, a possessive apostrophe is simply the apostrophe that is added to a word to show that something belongs to someone or something is connected to someone, okay? Is the apostrophe you add to a word to show that something belongs to someone or something is connected to someone. Now, there are different ways of using possessive apostrophe. In some occasions, you have to add apostrophe before an S, and in some occasions, you have to add apostrophe after the S, okay? Now, that's what we're going to learn in this video, okay? Now, when you have a singular noun, the name of one person, Dima, Henry, Calvin, okay? When you have these names and you want to show that something belongs to any of these people that I mentioned, what you do is to add apostrophe S, apostrophe and an S to the name. For example, this is Calvin's car. This is Calvin's car. This is Dima's channel, okay? Now, it shows that Calvin is the owner of the car. Dima is the owner of the channel. Do you understand? Dima is singular. It refers to a single person. Calvin refers to a single person. Now, what if you have the name of one person that ends with an S? How do we show possession? Now, when you have the name of one person that ends with the sound S, okay? For example, Grace, Charles, you can add apostrophe S to the name, or you can simply add apostrophe after the last letter of the name, okay? So you can say, this is Charles' pen. You can also say, this is Charles's pen. This is Grace's house. You can also say, this is Grace's house. These two sentences are correct. So you can add apostrophe S to a name that ends with an S. You can also simply add an apostrophe to a name that ends with an S to show possession. I hope you are following. So you can say this is Chris' car, this is Chris's car. Two sentences are correct. Now, what of plural nouns that end with an S? Plural nouns that end with an S. How do you show possession? When you have a plural noun that ends with an S, you're simply going to add apostrophe to the word after the last letter of the word. For example, girls, boys, teachers, okay? Yesterday was Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day, not apostrophe S, okay? Because teachers in this sentence refers to more than one teacher. So you're going to add apostrophe after the S. This is Teacher's Day. Apostrophe after the S. This is girls' hostel. Apostrophe after the S, because nouns in these sentences are plural and they end with an S. Okay? They end with S. So you're going to add apostrophe after the S. I hope you're following. In your exam, don't write yours sincerely this way or yours faithfully this way. Yours is a possessive pronoun. Okay? Yours is a possessive pronoun. So when you have possessive pronouns, you don't add apostrophe anywhere because they're already possessive. They already show possession. So you don't add apostrophe anywhere. You write yours sincerely, yours faithfully, without an apostrophe anywhere. Okay? Yours, mine, theirs. Okay? You don't add apostrophe to any of them. Did you understand? So that is it. That's how to show possession. Now let's go back to the question and answer it. Option A, we have Charles, B, Charles, C, Charles, and D, Charles. Now, which one is the correct answer? You already know the answer. The correct answer is option B, Charles. Alright guys, I hope you got value from this video and you have learned how to use possessive apostrophe correctly. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Click on the like button and please share it. Share it to anybody whom you think this video would help. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye.